instead of looking at the world around us, we'd always have to look at ourselves first. It's one of the most important things in the world, because every time someone has a problem, it's very easy to point somewhere else. I used to do it a lot. It's very easy to point somewhere else, which reminds me of a story. There was one time a Jew that had a little boy, and he told his wife, listen, I want to send my boy to a yeshiva. But in those days, they used to send the boy, far away. The boy would go away for 20 years, come back as a grown man, but Torah scholar. The mom said, listen, it's my only boy. I can't do it. It's going to break my heart. I've been waiting for him my whole life. Let's go ask the rabbi. We go to the rabbi, and the rabbi says, listen, your wife is right. He's your only son. You have extra money. You're in a jewelry business. Hire a rabbi to come to your house every day. Teach your son Torah. In those days, they respected the rabbi. So he did what the rabbi said. Hired a rabbi. Rabbi comes to the house and starts teaching the boy every day. 20 years later, that rabbi goes to the father and he says, Kvodo, even though it's going to hurt my parnasah, I can't teach your son anything. 20 years I'm teaching him, he knows everything I know, and probably even more. If I come here one more day, you're just wasting your money. He said, thank you very much for being honest. Chazaku Baruch. The rabbi leaves. The son is very excited. This is the first time he gets to get out of the house. 20 years, he's only learning Torah. It wasn't like today where the kids are constantly outside. Back then they would stay inside a little bit and learn some Torah. So 20 years, he's learning Torah, and that's all he did. First time he wants to go outside. He says, Abba, I want to go to the shuk. I want to go to the market. Go ahead, son. So the kid goes to the market. He has no concept of what the world is like. He goes to the market. He sees a lemonade stand. He says, can I have a lemonade? I says, sure. He gives him a lemonade. He goes, 5 liras. There's 5 liras. I don't have 5 liras, but I'll give you Dvar Torah. I'll give you, some chidush about Torah. The guy snatches the lemonade from him. He goes, you and your Dvar Torah, get out of here. Either 5 liras or nothing. The kid gets so upset. He runs to the house. He takes his hat. He takes his kippah. He throws it in the house. He goes, what? 20 years I spent and I wasted studying this Torah, and I can't even get a cup of lemonade. Can't even get a cup of lemonade with this Torah. Abba, no more Torah. This Abba was pretty smart. So he said, okay, son, what do you want to do? He goes, I want to be like you. I want to sell diamonds. He goes, okay. Abba goes to the safe. He opens the safe. He goes, son, this is my most expensive diamond. Don't sell it. Go to the same shuk, go to the same market, and get me 3 prices. He's so excited. He takes this big diamond, runs to the market. First guy says 250 liras. Second guy says 500. The third guy is up to 1,000. Comes to the house and says, Abba, I think we got him, Abba. The guy wants to give me 1,000. 4 times what the first guy wanted to give. We should really sell it, Abba. We shouldn't wait. He says, hold on one second. Go to a different shop. Maybe, just maybe we can get a better price. He sends it to a different market. First guy says 50,000. Second guy says 250,000. And the last guy says 500,000. The kid doesn't know what to do with himself. How could it be? Yesterday was 1,000. It was the best thing I could get. Today 500,000. What can happen in one day? He goes back to the Abba. He says, Abba, what happened? If you're not going to sell for 500,000, I don't know what you're going to sell it for. But anyway, what happened? How could it be? It was the first market you went to. It was a market for lemonade. They were selling fruits, vegetables. They don't know anything about diamonds. Well, they said it's a rock. It's a nice rock. It's pretty. They'll give you 1,000. Second market, they were diamond dealers. You know what the diamond is. They were paying you full price. The first market you went to, they didn't know anything about Torah. They said it's not even worth to them. It's not even worth the lemonade. If you go to the right crowd, people that actually know what Torah is, 500,000 would just be the starting price. And that's the thing we have to understand, is that Torah is not something, it's not like math, it's not like science, it's not like any other subject. It's something extraordinary. When someone has Torah, they have everything.